taking a day off work today. Been invited down south of Birmingham to have a day out with Magic Wands, Pat and Danny. So really looking forward to that one. Just on my way down now. It's 6:30. The sun is coming up, and it looks like it's going to be an amazing day. So let's hope the finds are as amazing as the weather. And I'll come back to you when I get there. See you later, guys. Right, guys, out on the field. Kind permission of Danny over there, and Pat's just over there, but he said he wants to remain unanimous. Invited me down because I've never found anything Roman. So we're on Danny's site here, and first signal, I think I've got a Roman. Certainly looks like it. So I'm not very clued up on Roman at all, so I wouldn't have a clue what it is, but we'll wash it up later and hopefully see if we can get an idea on it. But what a fantastic start. Right, next one, guys, little pistol ball. Took a bit of finding that one, but there we are. Another find, so keep looking. Danny's just done a little Roman. I can get some focus on that. Yeah, there's a nice bit of detail on that, mate. Yeah, that'll clean up nice. Just get coinage Britannia on the case, I think. Lovely, mate. Well, Danny's had 4.5 Roman, 5 Roman?
4.5.
4.5. And nice bullhead shilling.
That should get me a CTX centre of the post then.
1816. So leading the way at the minute. Right then, we'll keep going. Right, guys, another little signal, and I think I've got a fragment of a Roman coin. It's not a full one, but I think it's definitely a little fragment anyway, so just make out a bit of detail on it. Cool. Happy days. Alright, let's move on to the next. Right, guys, onto a different field. We were going to go on that one over there because we thought it was nicely ploughed, but it's deep ploughed, so it's a bit of a no-go. Pat's just over there, Danny's just over there. I just had a little find. I'm not sure what it is, but might be part of an old buckle maybe. But there we are. Bit tough going, stubble's a bit long, but we'll battle through it and see what else we can get. Right, guys, another signal. See how many stones are in the ground here, but I think I've got a coin just down in the bottom of the hole there. Yeah, looks like a Georgian. It might be a George first, that actually. A bit of detail on it, but we'll give it a wash up later, but I'm pretty sure it's a Georgian. It's thick enough. Head facing right, so George III or George I possibly. Alright, there we are, got a coin. Right, guys, found a little area where it's not too bad on the ploughed field, so first signal here, and surface fine pretty much, so looks like a picky halfpenny. Yep. See if we can get a date off it. 1872, I think. Oh, another coin. Danny just shied over and said he had a medieval token, so we'll have a look at that later. Alright, let's keep going.